Namu
Myoho Renge Kyo. Namu Myoho
Renge Kyo.
My family survived the bombing of Hiroshima. The world repeats its wars. The victims are left to carry the growing fear. Daimoku is how my family dealt with that trauma. It is how we face the fear today. It gives us the strength to endure and rebuild.
Nichiren Daishonin was born in 1222 in a small fishing village, a poor family, an ocean town. At 12, he went to study at a Buddhist temple with one question: what is the most important teaching in Buddhism? He spent 20 years looking for the answer. He traveled to temples all over Japan and read everything he could find. He found it inside an ancient book called the Lotus Sutra. The title of that book is Myoho Renge Kyo. He added one word at the front, Namu. It means, I am with you, when you press your hands together and bow. That one word made it a personal promise. On April 28, 1253, at age 31, the birth of the Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. He stood on Mount Kiyosumi and said it out loud for the first time. People were furious. He was arrested, exiled, and almost killed. He chanted every day for 27 more years anyway. Slowly, others joined him. We must clear the fog of misunderstanding to see this practice clearly. Someone wrote, but I have heard everybody pronounce it Nam, not Namu. Though it's Namu should be pronounced Nam. It's Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. The answer is right in front of you. You look at it every time you chant. The Gohanzen. In the middle it says Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Many people say Nam instead. This happens because people from a Nichiren Buddhist sect recite the Daimoku fast and skip the U sound. For example, Soka Gakkai International removed the U from Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Nowhere in their Gongyo can this be found. They simplified the pronunciation from Namu to Nam to make the practice more accessible for a global audience. But Nichiren Daishonin always wrote Namu on every Gohanzen, even when he spoke or wrote about it. This is how it is originally intended. We chant just like Nichiren Daishonin taught. Doubting this is doubting the founder of Nichiren Buddhism, Nichiren Daishonin. For detailed explanation, click the label in the top right corner now, or open up the video description.
I used to feel like life was just happening to me. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo is the sign that put me back in charge.
Next, praying to a god. You are waking up the Buddha within yourself. The law exists inside you. Chanting works like looking into a mirror. The beauty is, you can practice next to your religion, like Tina Turner did. Or, if I chant, I get instantly what I want. You are planting seeds through cause and effect. Growth takes time. The change begins the moment you start. I am just chanting for money or things. You chant to wake up your wisdom. Your environment changes after your inner life changes. That can lead to money or things. I have to be a perfect person to start. The chant acts as the polish for your life. You start exactly as you are today. I have to feel inspired every time I chant. Faith is action. The rhythm itself creates the momentum you need. The Gohanzen is an idol. Wrong. It functions as a map of your own potential. See it like a mirror. Next, if I have problems, my chanting is failing. Hardships provide the friction required for growth. A kite rises against the wind. Or this one, I need to join a group or a sect. Your practice belongs to you alone. You can connect to the mystic law anywhere. Chanting replaces hard work. Chanting gives you the life force to do the work effectively. The universe is vibration. We use the original pronunciation, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. The U carries a grounding frequency. Sound gives birth to stars.
This sound wave makes the bubble do something remarkable. First it expands, then it collapses. And this collapse happens so violently that vapor molecules trapped inside the bubble slam together and heat up so much that the bubble gives off an incredible burst of heat and light, several thousand times a second, giving the appearance of a star.
It cleans water through cavitation. It heals bone and tissue. It connects the most ancient mammals in the deep sea.
A breakthrough for scientists after they had a 20-minute conversation with a humpback whale.
A group of scientists had a 20-minute conversation with a female humpback whale. This is a little how their conversation went. Under their NOAA permit, they were only allotted 20 minutes to communicate with the whale, but she stuck around for more.
After our 20-minute period of playbacks was over, we turned off our speaker, and she continued to vocalize back to us, even as she was leaving.
Sound also possesses extreme physical force. Sonic weapons cause acute pain.
Device LRAD.
Urban noise disputes create profound psychological damage. Sound commands the physical world. The most vital thing moving through sound is human transformation.
My life used to feel so scattered, but chanting is the one thing that holds me together.
Kyo is the warp. These are the vertical, unmoving threads of the universe. Your daily life is the weft. These are the horizontal threads of experience. Chanting provides the structure holding your life together. Renge is the lotus. It produces the flower and the seed simultaneously. Cause and effect are simultaneous. You are a Buddha the moment you begin. People use this every day. Jack 0375 says it is everything. Where's Your Aloha calls it the law of causation. Veronica Primus 1 says it is her connection to the universe. Niju 9316 uses the word kavach. That means spiritual armor. This is a biological reality. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo is you. Start your practice today. Your transformation is one sound away.